I was out on the road late last night. I see my pretty Alice in every headlight. Alice, Dallas Alice. I've been warped by the rain, driven by the snow, drunk and dirty, and don't you know I'm still willing. I've been from Tucson to Tucumcari, to Hatchapee to Tonopah. I've driven every kind of rig that's ever been made, driven on the back road so I wouldn't get weighed. Just give me weed, white sand wine, show me a sign, I'll be willing. I've been kicked by the wind, robbed by the sleet, had my head stoved in. I'm still on my feet and I'm still willing. I smuggled some smokes and folks from Mexico, baked by the sun every time I go to Mexico. I'm still. I've been from Tucson to Tucumcari, Hatchapee to Tonopah. I've driven every kind of rig that's ever been made, driven on the back road so I wouldn't get weighed. Just give me weed, white sand wine, show me a sign,